Polaris terrain armor. Military technology has more strict requirements than any other. That is why the Polaris terrain armor tires, designed specifically for military vehicles, will amaze any off-road enthusiast. They can be mounted on a quad or a car. Representatives of the company Polaris claim that non-pneumatic tires were successfully used by the military and rescue teams, and therefore decided to bring this technology to the market. It's easy to guess that the main feature of these tires is its cellular structure, which makes them less vulnerable to bullets. The tires were shot from a 50-gauge weapon during a test, and the results showed their effectiveness and serviceability. In addition, these airless wheels can withstand even a huge load and high mileage. The outer rim of the tire is made of standard tire rubber, and it's equipped with protectors, and in some cases it can also be equipped with spikes. The cellular structure is made of a patented composite, which combines high strength, flexibility, and shape memory. Reconfigurable wheel track. This is the latest development of the National Engineering Center for Robotics at Carnegie Mellon University, USA. Its specialists improved the design of standard wheels so that they could transform into tracks. The process takes 2 seconds. This feature allows the car to instantly adjust to different types of soil and pavement. Eagle 360. Last year at the International Geneva Motor Show, Goodyear presented its conceptual smart tires for their cars of the future. These are spherical tires with artificial intelligence. Their unique shape allows them to rotate in any direction, just as unmanned vehicles require. It turns out that the Eagle 360 gives the vehicle amazing maneuverability. In fact, the car can move in any direction without turning around. It is worth noting that the manufacturer took into account the necessities of the driver and the passengers, so the tires provide a high level of comfort and safety. Eagle 360 is covered in a plastic bionic shell with built-in sensors. They collect the data on the condition of the tires, the roadway, the surrounding conditions, and even the location of the car. The idea is that all this information in real time will be shown on the display in the car. In addition, the tires can use this information to learn. This will allow them to more effectively adapt to the changes around and respond quickly to them. Shape memory allow. About a year ago, NASA Research Center developers showed their new tires to the public. Their unique feature is their amazing wear resistance and durability. The tires are not afraid of punctures, deformations, or bulges. The secret of their unique performance characteristics is in the special design. The tires are made of a huge number of metal springs, which are interwoven into a grid. Of course, the springs are resistant to damage, but in addition they absorb vibration using internal friction, just as standard wheels do. The idea of creating such tires came to the experts when the tire of the Mars rover Curiosity got damaged in the fall of 2013. The rover got it when driving on a stony part of the path. Repairing the damage is impossible, and henceforth the rover only rides on safe routes now. Thus, NASA experts decided to develop these tires, which in the future will be used to create vehicles and send them to other planets. The springs are made of a special alloy of titanium and nickel, and it has shape memory. This means that within a small deformation, up to 10%, the wheels will be able to go back to their original shape. It is noteworthy that the wheel will withstand even more serious deformation. Although, in order for it to return to its previous form, it's necessary to heat the material. Vision. The design of the traditional tires which everyone uses is not perfect, and not only because they're quite easily damaged, they are a threat to the environment because we produce them and then throw too many old tires out to landfills. The average life of a tire is 5 years, which is a small period, and that's why dumps are simply filled with used tires. In recent years, Michelin has been working to create tires that would not have these problems. This is an innovative, conceptual tire that's been printed using a 3D printer. It has an airless design and is also made of biodegradable materials. It's noteworthy that Vision is both a wheel and a tire. Despite its biodegradability, the material used to create the tread provides the same characteristics as a regular wheel. That is, the driver and the passengers will not feel the difference. In the future, sensors embedded in the device will transmit information about its condition to the driver. The data obtained will allow a person to refine the tire, change the tread pattern, or make their own, again using a 3D printer. Interestingly, the American magazine Time included Vision tires in the top 25 best inventions of 2017. Mecanum wheels. The Turkish company Sekizli is engaged in the production of forklifts with their unique wheel structure. Roller-bearing tires were designed by the Swedish engineer Bengt Ilon. The idea came to the scientist in 1973. These wheels allow vehicles to move in any direction, guaranteeing amazing maneuverability. Thanks to their wheels, Sekizli loaders can work even in the most constrained conditions. In addition, the speed and efficiency of work increases, since you no longer need to spend extra time on maneuvering. The working principle of the wheel is quite simple as well. A great number of rollers are mounted onto the surface of the whole wheel. They are positioned so that the angle of rotation is 45 degrees. The driver changes the direction and speed of rotation of each wheel, so the vehicle moves forward, backward, on a diagonal, and even rotate around its own axis. Amazingly, with all this, there's almost no slip between the rollers and the support surface. This technology is used in tracked vehicles with skid steering. However, the tracks can seriously damage the roadway. The wheels created by Ilon don't damage the surface because they rotate with a minimum friction force and low torque.
After 2 years of designing and prototyping, we're ready to introduce the Spry, a waterproof drone that floats like a boat, can briefly submerge underwater, then flip back to fly in the air at over 40 miles per hour. Plus waterproof body, and yes, the first ever waterproof remote control. The waterproof remote control has a built-in monitor that allows you to watch the live video stream, and the Spry's 4K camera tilts up and down to always point in the right direction during flight or while floating. This allows you to see what's underwater. Another cool feature is the expansion port that allows future accessories to be attached on the bottom and enhance the Spry's capabilities. Turn the GPS on and off from the remote control to fly freestyle, or activate its advanced flight features like Follow Me, Object Orbit, and return to remote control location.
Carduck Car Lift. Nowadays, cars are increasing enormously while parking spaces remain constant. Meet Carduck Car Lift, an innovative parking system which allows you to park 2 cars, one under another, at the same parking space. This design is particularly useful for private houses where there is not enough space in the garage or yard. This is a car lift which significantly expands the possibilities for parking. It can be used to park your car underground, in a basement garage, or as a standalone parking space. This system is powered by electricity and raises and lowers at a speed of 0.15 meters per second. The platform size is 5.3 by 2.6 meters, and its load capacity is 2 to 3 tons, thus allowing to park any kind of vehicle. While its installation may take from 5 to 15 days, depending on the kind of technology. Solar-powered retractable car garage. Everyone wants to protect their car from snow, sun, and rain. You might like this waterproof garage that works on solar energy and is produced by the Chinese company Xiaoyi and other companies. Its price varies from $2,600 to $4,500, depending on the model. It comes with a smart remote control and can also be controlled using a mobile application. The manufacturing company offers models working on solar energy. However, you can also run it on electricity. It takes less than half a minute to open and close, and it was designed to withstand winds up to 20 meters a second, after a weight load of up to 200 kilograms. For the building of this garage, an aluminum alloy was used to give it high strength. Moreover, it has enough space that can accommodate both sedans and SUVs. If you have a boat and $2,000, you can buy this parking system, created by an innovative company, North Shore. This parking system can be designed according to your needs and wishes, and it can be operated electrically or manually. Its cost also depends on the dimensions of the storage platform and its lifting capacity. It can lift from 2.7 to 19 tons, depending on the model. The operation of this device is effortless and can be installed above the water surface. Just press a button and the platform is lowered and your yacht is ready for its voyage. It has been designed to keep boats safe and tidy. All of its mechanical components are underneath the decking and the structure of the dock system, yet above the water, which makes it both practical and aesthetic. It also has a minimum contact with water, which guarantees durability. It has been equipped with a locking system to keep the boat for a long time, up to a year, without worrying about its safety. Park Plus AGV. This automated parking system has an exciting design. It consists of free-roaming, battery-operated, omnidirectional units called trays, with video surveillance and individual sensors to control the movements of the units and the process of storing and retrieving the vehicles from the parking areas. It is operated by a special software. It has many advantages such as supplying maximum parking efficiency and very flexible settings. This is actually a smart system that monitors the parking lot 24/7 to make the most of the space, providing a convenient and quick parking. If you need your car back, just press a few buttons on the screen display, and you'll get it in a few minutes, ready to go. The parking process is even more comfortable. You just need to drive the car onto the tray, make sure that it's in the right position, then press a few buttons on the screen display, get out of the car, and the tray will take it to the parking area. BendPak PL14000. This is another lift designed to save parking space. The company BendPak built a system that allows to park up to 3 cars in one standard parking space. It can be used for indoor and outdoor lifting, and its creators guarantee its durability and reliability. A unique base frame has been provided to distribute the load evenly. This expands the possibilities for installation. Almost any concrete floor will be perfect to do so. It has been designed for parking sedans and SUVs, and each level of this lift can withstand a weight of up to 3.1 tons. BendPak was equipped with a heavy-duty steel lifting cable, automatic safety locks, and a reliable and ergonomic hydraulic power unit with the purpose of improving the safety of vehicles. You can order the PL14000 for the price of $16,740. AddLink. This is a fully automated parking system. You can control it with your smartphone and computer with the help of a special program. When a car owner enters the parking lot, they must scan their smartphone with a special device which makes it possible to record the vehicle's dimensions, and consequently, it selects the perfect parking space for the car. Finally, this system will raise the vehicle to a special platform, and it will automatically put it in the right place. To get your vehicle out of the parking lot, you must use the mobile application again.
Number 2.
Smart Parking Solution. This is an automated, compact, and vertical parking system. This invention can completely solve the problem of lack of parking spaces for big and crowded cities. Moreover, the robot is absolutely safe for independent use to place the car indoors. You just need to drive the car to a special platform, then lift the car to the required level with the help of a transport lift. An inbuilt screen allows the car owner to see the number of their parking space. To lower the car, you just need to dial that number on the screen, and the lift will bring the car back to you.
Number 1.
Ideal Park. Here we have another personal parking lot, a fantastic solution for private houses with a basement. Ideal Park is a huge elevator that locates the car underground, where it's driven into the basement. At the same time, on the surface of the streets, there's no trace of the whole garage in this space. Above its surface, you can locate a path or even a flower bed, so its construction will not occupy a single square foot of your territory. Thanks for watching! Which parking solution do you want, and why? Let me know in the comments below. You can support me on patreon.com and just by watching my videos. See you later. Peace.